to try this gorgeous, stunning, beautiful palette. I have already used it once. I played around with it yesterday and I loved the look. I loved the blendability. I love this palette. We're going to start out with Culture. And we're just going to blend that all over the brow bone. And you can be messy with this. Because we're going to do a lot of blending with this look. So precision isn't as important today. Now we're going to go in with Thick. She Thick. And we're going to be a little bit more precise with this and kind of put that on the brow bone itself. Continue that blending. If you take your brush and do sort of circular motions, it'll help blend it out. And we want to carry it down just a little bit because we're going to bring these colors around after we do our foundation. Alright, next we're going to go in with this played out and lay it on our lid. Alright, a little NYX glitter glue. We're going to put this on like 3/4 of our lid. We're going to take a short flat packing brush and go in with this Sassy and just pack that on where we just put that glitter glue. Oh, this color is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Alright, now we're going to take this kind of brush. It's sort of like domed. It's a little fluffy but kind of stiff at the same time. We're going to go back in with that played out and increase that corner a little bit. And blend around. For this look, yesterday I did not do any liner. I just left it kind of au naturel. I think that's what I want to do today. I'm not 100% sure, but I want to go finish up my face makeup, come back and do the lower lash line, and take a little time to think about it. Alright, I'll meet you right back here in a few. We are going to go in with that Culture and just go ham putting that under our eyes. Like we're just going to bring it way down. We're going to go in with the thick color. And we're going to kind of do the same thing. Just throw it in there. Okay, now we're going to go in with that Revenge. We need to be a little bit more precise with this one. Gosh, I love these eyeshadows. Alright, now we want to do just a little bit of the played out. Just around that corners. I did go in with a little bit of the Too Faced waterproof eyeliner and kind of put it on my waterline. And then I lined just a little bit on my top lash line. We have a couple more new products to try today. So I've never used this on camera, but this is the Grande primer. It has lump plumping peptides. This is not a new product for me. I have used this before, but we're going to try the Milk Makeup KUSH mascara today. Okay, first we'll go on with the primer. I don't know if it'll pick it up on camera, but can you see my lashes? Try out this KUSH mascara that everybody's been talking about. I like it. That is pretty. Oh, I love this mascara. Let's do another coat. Oh, I got a little bit on my eyeshadow. I think this is everything I've ever wanted in a mascara. It lengthens, it thickens, but it doesn't clump like the Better Than Sex mascara. Got a few more products to try. This BH Cosmetics Duo Cheek Color. I've used this before, but I don't know if I've used it on camera, but I definitely did the haul. This is gorgeous. It is extremely pigmented. Very bright. I just think it's perfect for summer. Alright, now we're going to try the ColourPop Luster Dust in GNOMIE. I have tried this too, and I have a little bit of a love-hate relationship with it. It gives this wet look, which I love. And it has glitter in it, which I don't love because the glitter does get everywhere. But it's such a small, fine glitter. It's not chunky. It's hard to explain. Isn't that gorgeous? If only the glitter didn't get all over my face. And I almost wonder if we lay down some sort of a base, if it wouldn't do that. Alright, that is the finished look. So let's talk through some of the products that we use today. The Shayla X Collab Perception is fan-freaking-tastic. This is everything I have ever wanted in an eyeshadow palette, from the color selection to the blendability to the pigmentation. It is perfect in my eyes. Okay, what else did we try today? The KUSH mascara. I freaking love this. Like, this could be a replacement for my Too Faced Better Than Sex. It was wonderful. The blush from BH Cosmetics, I've used this before and I think it is the perfect summer look. I just think it gives this beautiful, it's not flat, it's not matte, it just gives a glow and a color that is just perfect for summer. The other thing that we tried today, oh, the ColourPop highlighter. I love it. Like, I just think this glow that it leaves is beautiful. It's beautiful. But I get glitter all over my face. So I do think if I maybe lay down a base or wet it just a little bit, but that's going to make it pop, and she really don't need any help popping. But it may help to grab onto that glitter so that it doesn't get anywhere or everywhere. But this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Like, she's gorgeous. Alright, my loves, that is it for all of these new products, mostly ColourPop. I am going to go finish filming the foundation piece of my video. I'm looking a little rough today, but I'm getting ready to go fishing. So, you know, this really is too much to go fishing, let's be honest. I might scare the fish away with my blinding highlight. Alright, my loves, until next time.